guys, Insane Soviet here, back at it again with another video. Today it's like September 9th-ish, whatever. It's Friday before Hurricane Irma is supposed to hit Florida. I live in Miami, so I will be in like the direct impact zone, basically. And currently the weather out here is beautiful. It is like just like the calm before the storm. It's beautiful. It's not too hot. A little some like waves on the ocean. I can get it there. There you go. But other than that, the weather's beautiful. And I am not going anywhere during this hurricane. I've started doing little preparations. You can see behind me. I've taken it off my balcony, and I will be vlogging this entire storm. So starting today, the winds are starting to pick up a little bit. I think by tonight it's going to be a little forceful, and tomorrow morning the winds are going to be strong. I mean, that's what they said on the news. I don't know. So yeah, I will be here vlogging the whole thing, and I do hope you guys like it, and I hope I live. So I've just currently arrived at my brother's house, right here, and they are also preparing for the hurricane. They're not in an apartment building, they're low-lying, so they've shuttered up or whatever, boarded up all their windows. That's their backyard. Nothing that boarded up all the windows, all the balcony doors. Here, let me get close to that. All the balcony doors. There's a gym. This is gonna get raped by the hurricane, probably. All these weights. But other than that, there's nothing in the backyard. Oh, there's a jet ski that no one's ever used ever since it was bought. It's brand new. No one's ever used it, not once. But alright, and yeah, there's shack, this little shack, that's gonna get destroyed, I'm assuming. But they're not their house is in very good condition. Their fence just fell down without a hurricane. So just think about what's gonna happen with a hurricane, with 100-mile-an-hour winds. So yeah, that's the situation right now. Friday noon, basically. What's up, guys? It's Friday evening, 5:30. The hurricane's gonna hit tomorrow evening, night-ish, and we cleaned out basically the whole backyard. This little shack here, it's empty. We've raised all the furniture, emptied out the shack. This is gonna get torn down though. This is not a solid build, so there's nothing left in the backyard, pretty much. Everything's boarded up. This is my brother's house, by the way, not mine. I'm not trying to get ready like this. This is jet ski. Well, we're gonna wish the best for the jet ski. But this, same thing. These, no one needs them. Yeah, the entire backyard is empty. This is gonna break. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This branch is probably gonna fall off. It's a big ass branch. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside the house and show you guys inside the house, but people are getting ready here. That house, it's all shuttered up. Everything here is elevated.
Andrew, take your headphones.
Yeah, everything's elevated. Nothing valuable on the floor if you go in this bedroom. It's nothing here either. All the drawers were dressers were put in there. And the other room, if I can get this light on, same thing. My mom's talking to me. What's up, guys? It is currently 2 a.m. here in Miami, and officially I was just watching the news. The outer bands of the storm have hit us. It has rained a little bit. I didn't see it rain, but the winds are starting to pick up. This view off my balcony, basically the ocean's over there, and there are waves, white caps. The winds did pick up, so officially the outer bands have hit us. The storm is now not coming directly to Miami, it's going to Naples, but we're still gonna get hit by some pretty good winds, apparently. I don't know. I'll see tomorrow. Apparently by the morning we're gonna have like tropical storm force winds, and then by the afternoon on Saturday night, that's like when it's gonna hit. Saturday night, like Sunday morning is when it's gonna, like, the storm is going to hit. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'll wake up in the morning and see what it's all about. So here's a better view. I got the back camera on, or front camera, whatever. It has rained. It is windy. You can't see the beach. You can kind of see it, I guess. But the waves are they're huge. Sorry, I can't. This is a rare day to see waves this big, and these are the outer bands. So, once again, it's not a direct hit, but the winds are picking up, and yeah. So, I mean, they're probably like 10 miles an hour now. I'm not saying anything. Tomorrow morning, I'll probably go out on the beach and see how it is. I mean, it depends on when I wake up. It's not in the morning anymore, probably. But yeah, and I'll get to you guys back then. There's a wind gust apparently in somewhere around Miami, I think. It's not good. It's not in my area, but it's like somewhere in Florida. It's not good. It's not in my area, but you know, there are wind gusts. Another thing I wanted to show you is that all the buildings are empty. Like, I know it's 2 a.m. and shit, but this is still usually like lit up. I see 1, 2, 3 windows in this entire building. The beach club, it is usually packed, and once again I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 apartments that are lit up in this right building over here. 2 in the middle one, and I can't see the other one from here. But as you can see, it is just empty here in Miami, Hollandale Beach. Yeah. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. The hurricane, I guess, it's like not even a hurricane out here. Winds are probably not even gonna reach 70 miles an hour. But I mean, it is kind of windy outside. That's why I'm at it right now. I guess. So I'm gonna go out on the beach and show you guys how it is there. You probably can't hear me right now because of the wind blowing. So there you go. The wind is kind of there. It is kind of blowing. You can't hear me, but the wind, yeah. I mean, you can kind of see it. It's kind of blowing. Hey. Alright, I'll go on the beach and show you guys. As you can see here, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm yelling right now. I am yelling. I can barely hear myself. Great. The place is deserted. It is just deserted here in Miami. There's no one to be seen anywhere. I just went across the street at 11 o'clock on a Saturday. It's like the street is usually full of cars, A1A. But I just went across the street and I didn't see one car. I saw like one go right by as I walked outside. That's it. No more cars. It's unbelievable. Usually the street is packed. So yeah, I'm currently getting on the beach right now. There are no lifeguards. I don't think anyone's gonna swim here. But I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about lifeguards. So yeah, the tide rose. Like a lot further than this. Holy shit, I'm not trying to get wet. The waters are rising a lot. The water used to be like far over there. You see that wave forming? That's where like max reached. And now it's like there's like 10 feet of 10 feet of beach. It is windy out here. Wind has picked up. I think it's great. See how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so I came out to my building's backyard, and it is completely deserted here. Like, the tarps are off of this thing. The jacuzzi, the whatever, the hot tub is emptied. The pool is emptied, like 20. They emptied it by 24 inches, apparently. No chairs, no like umbrellas, nowhere to sit, no tables, nothing. It used to be looking pretty nice here. Now it's like fucked up. But you know, once again, like the winds aren't impressing me right now. But it's just the beginning of the storm. So, yeah, basically the water's rising, as you can see there. It used to be like way below this. And yeah, it's doing well so far. Not too bad. Look at that one of those buildings is completely shuttered up. I don't know if you can see that white window, but it's just completely filled with shutters. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, and now the rain is starting, as you can see here. I'm trying to get inside. Wow. Wow. Now the rainstorm is starting. Wow. Shit. It's starting to rain a little bit. I just got wet in 20 seconds. This is unbelievable. It is raining hard as balls right now. Like hard. Like you can see like little bands of rain. Oh shit, we got a tree down. So our tree did fall down. A tree did fall down. I think a couple have branches broken, but a tree did fall down. See the bands coming in from like behind the building. Once again, a tree did fall down. This is amazing. This isn't even the strongest winds that we're getting today, though. Like in the hurricane, tomorrow at noon is what it is. But this is just unbelievable. This is straight up unbelievable. Wow. Wow. Guys, so I went out in this rain or whatever the fuck this is, in this pre-hurricane conditions. My building's starting to get flooded. You can see flooding over there. Not the time, there's flooding. But it's windy. Oh shit, there's a cop right there, of course. I gotta get, like, I can't get seen by cops. So if I get seen by cops, that's the end of this journey right here. I'm gonna have to like run back inside or some shit. You know, there's a cop out on the street just standing there not doing anything. I'm gonna try to get it. Here you can see him right there. That's a cop. First of all, I don't like cops. Not a fan of them at all. No offense to police, like they do their job, but like sometimes like when you want to do something and they don't let you, I don't like that. Like they said that he can't arrest me. So I'm trying to investigate here. So as you can see, it's flooded over there. I need to find a way to get into my garage or over this fence. Either one will work. That is my ultimate goal right now. Oh no. Okay. Now I'm gonna be able to get back to the house. The doorstop that I left just like floated away. And this, yeah, that was a pretty nice gust. There is a what's it called? The palm tree just fucking fell down. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. There's a car standing right here. I don't know what he's doing. Get back into the house without my parents getting mad at me and not letting me go outside anymore. So yeah, I can't go down and investigate anything right now because of the stupid ass cop. That's nothing against police. Just cop will not let me do a lot of things. So yeah, basically. Shit. Trying to find a way in there, so I'll get back to you guys. Guys, it started raining again, and it got really windy. Like, pretty windy, like, it's hard to walk again. Oh shit, I almost slipped and fell. And I'm locked out. And I think I might just make a run for it. It's raining pretty damn hard now. I think I just make a run for it, like on the cop, just slide into my garage. Possibly. Without him seeing. So, yeah. We're doing great so far. I regret this decision a little bit because I don't have a lot of battery left. I'm at like 14%. That's okay, you know? I think that's okay. I'm thinking about jumping the fence, but once this car leaves, I'll definitely jump the fence. So, yeah. I'm going like a high. Just think about what I'll do. Alright, peace, guys. Guys, look at this, it's flooded. And the wind was calm, and now it's picked up a little bit, as you can see by those palm trees over there. I went home, I charged my phone a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if I should go home and wait till the wind picks up to go outside, or just stay outside and wait for it to pick up. Look at these palm trees, man. This is terrible. This thing, one of these things gonna fly up, hit me in the head. I don't want that shit. No, thank you. Yeah, man, those palm trees over there too are looking pretty good. The water is kind of deep. That's okay. Looking at me from their balconies. Yellow poncho walking around the house. Guys, it is 8:37 p.m. on Saturday, I believe. And yeah, it is great, I guess. Apparently there was like some really strong winds. I was asleep, sorry. But it's like thundering now, like you can see lightning. Just wait a couple minutes. I'll just point it to the beach and you'll see lightning along with the waves that are there. Like the whole sky basically lights up. I did not see any more trees fall down. Like you see that? It's like lighting up, but it's not like it was before. I think the wind's starting back up again. Wow, yeah, the waves are huge. Like I can see from here. I know my phone is not capturing this. But, like I can see the waves from here, and they are like enormous. Wow, you see that? That was the lightning. There's clouds everywhere. It's raining. It's definitely gonna flood tomorrow. Like if it's gonna stay like this. It's not feeling like a hurricane right now. You know, it's windy and raining. You know? It feels like an extreme thunderstorm basically. So it's not feeling like that people were so afraid of. Being honest. Like I have a bunch of friends, other than this fallen tree, you can't see it here, but other than the fallen tree, there's nothing major that happened.
Oh, it's drenching. Oh, we have more water here.
Wow, that's amazing. This is holy shit.
Yeah, I know, it's dripping.
This is lovely. This is lovely. Just wow. This is hurricanes at its worst. I want to be outside in a car during this. Wow. Hurricanes are. Guys, it is 11:30 on Saturday night. The wind it stopped for a little bit, then it started back up again. So it's not as bad as it was. There's no like rain, but the palm trees are still blowing pretty bad. The canal level I think is rising, but I'm probably lying. Probably not. They're saying the high tide is now. The waves on the beach are huge. Obviously you can't see because it's dark, but also another thing, our fence in the garage fell. This fence, it just like fell over because the wind was so strong. Like, just so you understand the magnitude of these winds, like I don't even understand them. Like, this is bad. Like, this is heavy wind to me. But I don't think this is probably a category 1 wind. Like, it's probably like 75 miles an hour. That is like when it was at its strongest. So like, I don't know. So this completely got broken off the light here, as you can see. The rest of the lights are in place. No. The hot tub has a palm tree leaf in it. Looks great. And another one laying on the ground. Another one of these bulbs flew off. Another one of these bulbs flew off over here. I don't know what this is actually. Yeah, it is one of these bulbs. I don't understand how they break their plastic. But okay. It flew off. There's basically pretty much no other damage that like to be done here. Guys, another thing I want to show you is look at this. So if I pour, you can't see it, but if I pour this water, it just floats away. That's how strong the wind is. It just went all over me. That's called karma. But the water, like it doesn't even go to the ground. It just spreads out and starts like the wind blows it away right away. Guys, it's like 10:30 in the morning. I'm in my building's hallway, and like there's water here, people everywhere. The fire alarm went off. Yeah, there's no fire, but like there's water in the lobby.
Basta due signore,
We have another tree that fell down in the building. One over here, another one fell on top of it. Another one over there, as you can see. And these trees are like losing branches, like they're empty basically. Branches are breaking off of these trees. Yellow water over here, bottles of this everywhere. It's leaking through the roof. So I'm on the 5th floor in my building now, and someone's windows definitely blew away. See the door? It's knocking everywhere. The air's blowing out of it. You can hear the air behind it. Someone's door blew away here. Like someone's window. The air, like the wind is getting in the building. And yeah, it's not looking pretty. We're out here trying to get the building unflooded. Yeah, because this is flooding the whole lobby. It's still fucking blowing everywhere. Flying out of this balcony is flooding the whole lobby. So yeah, it's still like hurricane, but we are trying to get the flying out. Yeah, starts are strong. Look, we got something torn off the roof. The roof is being torn off. Yeah, it flew off over there with that thing. Yeah, it's a little bit windy. It's a little bit windy out here. Badass wind. Yeah, I'm outside. Okay, especially out in this weather and this fucking rainstorm mouse bullshit. Yeah, baby. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. The rain. Look at that. Wow. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Yeah, I need to get cover behind the building before I get blown away by this bullshit. Being honest here. Look at the damage that was done here by the hurricane. It's not as windy here, so I think I'm safe for now. But that's just for now. It's flooded. I'm walking through water. The winds are blowing over there really hard. They're getting here too now. I just need to make sure I can take cover somewhere as quickly as possible. Now this is no joke. These winds are no joke. So palm trees are all blown off. I don't know if you can see this. Let me clear out the camera. Palm tree leaves have been blown off. Basically, and they're all in the pool now. The water is covering my leg. You can kind of see that. Palm tree leaves. So yeah, the palm tree leaves are in the pool everywhere. I don't know if these things are still on. This is still on. The water fountain got torn out of the ground. This is amazing. It's already flooding that place over there. It's almost flooding us, our garage. Water fountain. I don't know even if I should go out here and see. This wind's breaking trees. These gusts right here. As you can see, 2 trees are broken over there. You can't see it's 2, but it is 2. This is crazy. It's a lake right here, basically. Wow. The fence here is broken. The wind is roaring past. Look at that. Just look at it. Look, the fence broke. Second, 2 trees fell over there. That is blown all the way inside. Let me clear up my camera. shit. Everywhere. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna watch a movie or read a book. I'd rather do that than holy crap, I'm not getting through that. There is no way I'm gonna get through that. Wow, this is... Nope. There's absolutely no way that I'm gonna be able to get through this wind and down to safety. No, thank you. I'll pass. Okay, I don't want to be blown away by this thing. Balcony again, and it's not getting better. The wind's moving, I'm not moving at all. It's only getting worse. Everything is just getting a lot worse. You can look at this. Palm trees over there are crazy. I think it worked very well. This, the ceiling broke in the building. Look at that. There's just a hole in the ceiling. Yeah. Wow. Just wow. This is a mess. It just is a mess. Good morning, guys. It is the Sunday after the hurricane, or the Monday, sorry. And now I'm going around the building, and around the area, seeing what damage the hurricane has done. So before, like, they managed to like take care of it and like get it all out of the way. So first thing I'm coming to are those tree branches over there. I can see that they moved them. They definitely did move them so that the cars can get in and out of the garage. But I mean, they're still broken tree branches. They didn't move them away. They just moved them, you know? They are still broken tree branches. It doesn't matter. I think they moved that tree out of the way too. Just walking around, you can see how that damaged the area, just my building area. We didn't even lose power. The stop sign is here. Branches are everywhere. Big ass branch fell down. This tree looks like it's like from medieval times. Like if you just look at it upwards. Like look here, I'll show you. It looks medieval as hell. Look at that. That doesn't look medieval to you? Looks medieval to me. And there's tree branches, palm trees everywhere. Look at that little squirrel survivor. Palm trees everywhere. Oh, they haven't moved the tree out of the way yet. Multiple broken tree branches. Multiple broken trees over there. I'm gonna go there in a few minutes. I walk around the entire building. But as you can see here, multiple, like 2 broken trees on top of each other. This tree used to look like them. It used to have like leaves and stuff. Now it's just like a torn up piece of shit. That's what it is now. I don't know what the sound is, sorry. But the fence is broken on the ground. These palm trees are pretty much like they're bent out of shape. I'm pretty sure they were standing a little differently before the hurricane came. This fell off. These lights are basically done. 3 out of 4 are basically done. Now, see, this fell off. A lot of things broke, guys. And then there's a fire alarm again for no reason. Like, there ain't no fucking fire, guys. Well, you can see pieces of broken glass. Someone's window probably fell out. Yeah. I want to see if I can find it, but probably not. Yeah, someone's window fell out. This is it's a lake. I don't even want to go down there, but it's a lake. It's still a lake, no matter what. Covered with the ground, it's covered with tree leaves. Over here, as you can see, the tree again. It's like bald. The tree's bent over there. And yeah, I'm gonna go on the dock and upstairs and see how it is. Hey guys, so I am upstairs. This fallen tree. The leaves are down or whatever, the branches. Not that big of a deal. Our dock actually survived. This dock was rebuilt about 3 months ago. And the reason it was rebuilt because it was like torn apart, it was like broken, dead. And it was broken because of Hurricane Andrew. So what I was afraid of was that this is gonna like break it again, but no. They like set the thing up again. The water fountain actually works now. Again. It fell down on the ground. Yeah, the jacuzzi here, palm tree leaves. In the pool, there's palm tree leaves. And the palm trees are like, they don't have leaves. Yeah. It's looking nice. Palm tree, no leaves, basically. You're gonna have to cut them off. It's flooded here a little bit. The tennis courts are flooded. Alright. It's not too bad, I guess. We didn't lose power, right? At least. Gotta look at it from the bright side. And come on, guys. These things are like, these are on the lights. White things. Yeah, right there. They probably picked them up off the ground already. Everything's still shuttered up. Building, they haven't unshuttered the building. Something's laying over there. Some metal thing, you see that? Yeah, I don't know what that is, but I think it's part of the tennis courts at this point. Yeah, the building didn't get damaged so much. I'm gonna go out to the beach and just check it out. Check the park out. I live by the park. Just go to the beach. I see another little palm tree. This is still my building area. Another little palm tree down. The branches are down. The bushes also torn out of the ground. Expensive. Cars are getting back out on the street. I guess trying to see their relatives or something like that. This stoplight does not work. So our stoplight on our street broke. Yeah, it just doesn't work anymore. Yeah, you see, cars are just going. There's no green, no red. It broke. Just broke. It would be nice enough to let me through, huh? I wonder. No one? Thank you. Wow, right BMW. I like that. I like that a lot. So as you can see, trees are down everywhere here. Not everywhere, but like these two trees, I mean, they're pretty nice standing trees. Torn out of the ground. 2 of them. So 4 of them. 2 on each side, that's 4 trees that are down. This big ass tree's down almost. 2 of them. These little ones that have just been planted are, yeah, pretty much too. Signs are like bent over, it's flooded. The lights are still standing, but trees are like down, almost like torn out of the ground completely. On the side too. Yeah, it's pretty bad here. Down on the side. So I'm gonna go on, make my way to the beach. I don't think anything's gonna be there. Might be bad. So this fence broke. Congratulations. Hurricane broke a fence. Wow. Tree has broken branches. No leaves, pretty much torn out around here. And here. And another one. And another one. There's a lake in the park. And another one was just completely broken off. It's nice. It broke. It just broke. It's torn out. It's alive, torn out. Lake. No volleyball court anymore. That's non-existent. Torn out. As I'm making my way to the beach is like shallow, I'm guessing, for a while down. Torn out. Yeah, the beach, you can see it's like light colored all the way up to there. Yeah, all the way up far up there. No light. Look at this. The sidewalk is just compressed sand basically now. It is just sand, and there was a volleyball court here at some point in time, and it's a lake now. Yeah, it's great.